We're gonna blow up a lighter with gas. Are you gonna do it? Okay, you're gonna wanna back up, Giuseppe. Like a lot. It goes like. Isn't he a cop?
No, I think it's gonna be fine.
It'll just go out.
Step it out. No, you don't get near it.
Not gas fires.
It has like sandals, so like step on it barefoot.
Oh! Did it go yet?
Stay back, stay back.
It didn't go yet. The grass is on fire.
It's alright.
Did it go?
G.
I'm not moving forward. It didn't go yet. No, hold up. It hasn't gone off yet. Oh God, that scared the crap out of me. Oh God. Yeah, just let me.
G,
I was looking away.
You should just let it burn out. Get away from there, G.
It's not gonna blow up
It
again.
might.
Yes.
Let Michelle get blown up.
And now you're killing. The grass is on fire now.